Hello. Welcome back to week 5. Today I will be going through the gameplay managers and what I plan to do for my project, pretty much. Let's first start with the pickups. The old pickup system, this is the pickup actor. Inside the content graph, this is the pickup actor and the spawn actor. So in the pickup, we call in the event dispatcher pickup collected. This is inside the manager, and then we are just destroying it once we collect it. That's pretty much it. And this one is pretty simple. In the in the spawn pickup, which is right here, I have a billboard just to show where it is inside the game. Uh, this will get called in from one of the actors. Pretty sure it's the pickup manager. Inside the pickup manager, initialize get a game mode reference. Set it to variable, so I can call it later on. Actor from class, calling the actor spawn pickup, like I said, for each loop, because we're gonna have many, so you need an array for that. Get a plus for the location of the actor that you're gonna spawn. So spawn an actor of any class. Spawning the pickup, which is this right here. This basically spawning this actor, this right here. We're spawning that from the pickup manager. And then inside the pickup, which is right here, get actor of class, which is pickup, and then set the remaining. This is just how many we have. Also, I would like to say for this pickup, I'm not sure why it's not really working for me. Once I placed it all into the game and I pick up the remaining, which is get in the variable right here, getting a variable removing, and then getting the length of how many. If it's equal to 0, get a branch when collected, which is a what do you call it? It was the gameplay. Oh, sorry, not gameplay. I forgot to right here. It's the gameplay interface. Wins collected. This is just a normal boolean will be, but I am not sure as to why it does not work because I've gone through this like 5 times, literally gone through every single node. I did everything correctly. It probably is something really small that I missed, but I can't really figure out. This is all the same. All I've changed is just added this. This is all the same from the last week's pickup system. So it should be working, but it's not. And calling this from the Blueprint interface, which I've attached. And that is pretty much it for the pickups. And then we move on to the oh yeah, I forgot to say in the for the pickups, obviously you have to initialize it into the game mode, which is right here. Same thing as last week. Spawn actor pickup, location of it, and then initializing the pickups from the spawn manager, which is right here. And then this is the condition if how many is collected in the game. Every win's collected, there you go. It's an event, can end the game, which I called on the end right here, can end game. So I'm quite not sure why this is not really it's not really working. And this is the event right here, can end game, which I've obviously shown way before. But yeah, let's move on to the kills collected. Not kills collected, kill manager. In the game mode, we're calling the new custom event kill manager. We should probably start with the kill manager itself, which is right here. Have the initialize again, gameplay, and then the target amount, which is integer. This is how many. This is the amount of the target we're going for. So it could be, in a team deathmatch, 75 kills. That's the target. If any player or any team reaches 75 kills, the game would end pretty much. That's an example of used right here. Again, get actor of class, which is the base character I have right here set. I have the base character since basically all of them is a parent from the base character, if that makes sense. So setting it to base character means it will set to all of them. Makes it a lot easier. By an event to player killed, create a custom matching event. Matching event right here. Switch on teams, pretty simple as always using the switch on teams. Integer, add the integers, get the target kills amount. If it's greater or equal, branch, then set the win limit condition. This win limit condition is from the the teams, which is right here. When I have a eTeams enumerator on it, and that's pretty much it. Honestly, the kill manager, pretty simple. This kill manager does work. I'm working on a respawn system at the moment, which I just want to show quickly off. Inside the game mode, not the game mode, sorry, inside the character, I've also called the get teams because obviously when you kill a player, it needs to get the data that, okay, you killed this player. How does it know how many kills it has? This is how many kills it has, and then I'm just setting the get teams, called the player killed. If player is killed, that's it. Does that, and then obviously if it reached the target, it would basically end the game. Since the target is 1, it would just end the game pretty much here, which I've already shown all of this previously. And I'm working on a respawn system, which is right here. I'm basically trying to respawn the character. Currently, it's not working properly because it's spawning the person that killed it as well. So not only does it spawn one player, but it spawns the other as well, which is very bad, and I don't want that to happen. But I will try and fix this somehow, some way. I'm just possessing as normal, and then I'm just destroying the actor at the end. But yeah, this is not working at the moment. This is just a work in progress. And just basically look forward to that. It's a respawn system for, obviously, you need a respawn system in the game. And I made something new, which is a game over screen. This game over screen will not be like this. I will have a score board at the end. So like it will show the how many players, how many kills the players have, which team won, so on. Basically a typical game over screen for a FPS game. And I think that's pretty much it. I showed everything I needed to. Now what's left is just to showcase, right? Just to showcase the gameplay. Uh, all right. Oh yeah. I also made just a little small map. Obviously the map is not finished yet, but this map I have a little stairs here where I can go through, and then obviously you can shoot each other with another players on the other side. Hide behind this, can shoot between these. I'm gonna try and lower these somehow or maybe make the character a bit bigger. Go down the stairs, and then another player can go on that side, and then I'll just make this place smaller. This is just a small little map that I made. For obviously you need a map, right? If you're gonna make a game. So yeah, this map is a work in progress. This is just me killing the player. As you know, the kill target was 1, was set to 1, so I killed it. I got a kill, and that's it. The game's over. Back to the main menu. Let's start again. I'll go and show the pickups now, which they are just on right here. These are the pickups. Pickups collected. Another pickup collected, and another pickup collected, and then the game does not end. That's the issue that I'm having right now. I will obviously try and fix it if I can. Not if I can, I'll definitely fix it by next week. So basically, the next week's week 6 post, this will be fixed with more stuff added. And just at the end, just kill the player again, and game over. And that's it. That's pretty much it for this week. There's not much else to it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.